thousands of people around the world, and most of them make the junk food trips now and then. Just going to be a part of life. I don't beat anybody up for it. Are you kidding? We're healers. We know that. Some of us make junk food trips. I've done it. So what? But we know how to deal with it. We know how to fix ourselves and fix others. And so, you can't be perfect all the time. If you are, that's good, but don't expect others to be, because then your ego gets out of line, and that's not good either, because there's no judgment here, man. We're just a bunch of God trying to be all these little individual pieces, trying to create its worlds of joy and happiness, or its worlds of sorrow and pain. It's all about the drama. And so don't get caught up in things that are unimportant in certain ways. What's important is you. And where are you? I mean, in the worlds of God, where are you? And do you know who you really are? And how much of that do you know? And are you happy? And are you giving to others? And are you, nirvanic? Are you experiencing more of the all? I get diarrhea and this bloated belly too. In fact, it's happening to me right now. Basically, it's your body trying to clear itself out of the waste and everything. Watch a video about detox effects. I'm sure it'll be helpful to you. Yeah, I mean, this is a comment. Yeah, that's the thing, is that, your body, after you get more, maybe I use the word pure, but more pure and more pure, cleaner and cleaner, definitely vibrations of foods can kick you in the butt. But it's true, though, that there's times where the good food sometimes you just don't want. You're just it's taking you in another direction. But for the most part, if you watch yourself intuitively, once the body gets used to what's really good and what's really making it feel good and fix itself, then it'll intuitively want those. So I like intuitive eating in terms of fruits and berries and melons and salads. I like that intuitiveness, because then we're kind of listening, and we tend to start eating the foods that the body wants. There's no way. If we profess to know what the body wants and what the body needs, I think we're just out there a little further than we need to be, because there's no way we have that kind of brain power. And when you look at all the biochemists and you realize biochemistry is a world of disagreements, then I think you will understand why we talk that way. Let's see here. This is Milo Tori. I don't remember. I'm an old country boy, so forgive me there. But thanks for your comment there. Hi, Dr. Morris. I'm so thankful for your videos. Well, I appreciate you taking your time and watching them, and taking your time in your lives to get your bodies well, and then taking the time to enjoy the ecstasy of life. Buy flowers, look at beauty, climb mountains, go onto the beach. Start enjoying the beauty of things and the beauty of yourself, because each one of you are just beautiful, beautiful souls. I know some of you are in pain, some of you probably don't feel beautiful, some of you are angry. I know that. But let all this go and just get to the self again. Just enjoy the fact that you have consciousness, that you have the ability to see and know greater things than what you've done. Just expand yourself. That's what really is important here. When we end these videos like this, I'll start a whole line, and we'll focus predominantly on the spiritual growth of our team. But right now it's important to get this side of it. So far, she has been on a monthly, recently my sister has been told by her oncologist, so she's got an oncologist, that answers that question, that she may be in early stages of cervical cancer. So far, she has been on monthly vitamin B injections and is scheduled for surgery to remove cancerous cells at her cervix. In addition, doctors have removed her gallbladder 6 to 8 years ago. I have her fasting on grapes, and she just finished her detox kit 1-2. Can you please help me with direction to keep her healing? Any advice would be immensely appreciated. Absolutely. Just get that Heal All tea and start having her dish with that Heal All tea. And if she needs to know how, she can call Jennifer or one of the girls here, and they'll tell her. But really get that Heal All tea. Get that up into deep into that area, the female area, up to the cervix, and if you can, into the uterus as much as possible. Start cleaning there very aggressively. I'd probably douche twice a day. You could probably turn this around without need for surgery if you really wanted that. The second part of that is you want to do a lymphatic 1 capsule. I would probably do three times a day. We're honking on that. I definitely do kidney 1 capsules, maybe 2-3 times a day. I do stomach and bowel number 1 or 2, whichever one you need for proper movement and cleaning. I would definitely get into the adrenals, adrenal 160 glandulars maybe. After this weeks 1 and 2, stay on Parasite M for a while, get the fungus out. Do a liquid lymphatic, say lymph node 2, very strong. Right, I would do that. GI broom if you can handle that. We got it. But go that way. Get in the lymph. Get in the kidneys. You want to do 1 lymph capsule, I would, and 1 lymph liquid. Get into the kidneys. Make sure the kidneys are filtering, and go that way. But douche with some Heal All Tea, and you should be able to get that quite well. Heal All Tea has turned around a lot of cancer there, turned around those cells. Remember, cancer is a damaged, mutated cell, not a disease. And it's all about her lymph system. She could be estrogen dominant. If she is estrogen dominant, I would do the female reproductive formula. That female reproductive formula is a progesterone formula. In other words, it's an antacid formula. It might be wise for her to do that anyway, and it will help to bring more progesterone to the party and not the estrogen. Estrogen to this party is not welcome. Thanks for the comment there. Angel Light 444, dear Dr. Morris, I have been so busy since my return from your course. It has been such a powerful and amazing. Thank you, sweetheart. I appreciate that. Amazing experience to meet you in person. Thank you so much. It was amazing to meet all of you for sure. I love that. I'm putting together level 2. We're going to need it. You know, I'm going to take you guys as far as I can, and then you can run with it. And to interact with your beautiful teach that. Well, thanks. Thank you. All the people that work for us are pretty nice, I think. Thank you for your knowledge, your passion, and love to all of us. I have been reading your book and love it. Hugs and kisses to you, Angel Light. I need to get a counselor down here. Tracy M. 1974. Hey, sweetheart. Dr. Marcos, I absolutely love the class. Thank you so much. I love you there, too. Thanks for coming, both of you guys. Thanks for all of you guys that come to the class. Thanks. Does my heart a little good. Do a video showing before and after iris pictures of some of your patients. You know, that's the sad thing about it, Tracy, is that I forgot. Gosh, I was just so involved in trying to make sure you all got what you needed. And then we ran out of time. We just didn't get to the protocols like we would have liked. I really wanted to run you guys through the protocols, so level 2 is going to have a tremendous amount of protocols. Just really need to get you guys really grasping this and tearing this apart. And I think most of you do. You know, most of you do it pretty well. But I wanted to bring some before and after eyes, and I just totally spaced it. And there's been some people here that have literally tore up the pavement, and the changes are like earth-shaking. Matter of fact, I tried to get her to pull a couple of them, and I'll try to show you on the YouTube here. Tremendous changes there. And unfortunately, I've got to pull off here so we can get this up, and then I'll try to get to the rest of these. But thank you so much. I love all of you. You guys at the class kicked butt. I appreciate you all there. I hope you had a good time. We've got a lot to teach you about working with others and stuff, but I think you guys are doing very well. I just love it. But we always run out of time because there's just so much to convey to you. But keep it simple. Always keep it simple. And I love you guys. You have fun today, okay? Word of the day, just be. Be pure love today. Just walk around being love today. Give love to all things. Everything you see, just give love to it. Don't think. Just give love to everything today. And I'm going to give my love to all of you. Okay, bye-bye now. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I don't know. I just got up here. I don't know. I had to walk the dog, of course, every morning. And, you know, so I'm probably up about 6. The other morning I was up at 4 doing reports and stuff. The work never ends. But anyway, it's nice to be with you, and it's a pleasure always to be in amongst a bunch of spiritual giants like yourselves. And I want to get to these because I'm running a little late here this morning. So let's, there were some very good questions. You guys are asking some very good questions, and I like that. You guys over there on Facebook, keep it civilized. But, you know, by working this out between yourselves, you will become strong and you will become committed. By the way, we have a little bit on the babe thing. 9 months, 4 days, juice fasting. 9 months, 4 days. This would be the 5th day. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, her eyes have a lot of lymph and a lot of sulfur, and that's what she's after, and she's doing just the right thing you need to do. And she is learning a lot about balance, and this is one thing she notices out there is the lack of balance and common sense. So, common sense, I don't know how to define that. My dad always used to pound it into me, or my grandfather, was raised by my grandfather. And common sense, and it's hard to explain what that is. I think common sense is a little bit of soul recognizing truth as opposed to the mind chattering on with illusions of grandeur and hypotheses and theories and things like this. So, anyway, 9 months, 5 days. Well, she should have been dead by now, right? She's just eating the foods her body's designed to eat. She has a lot of energy. Her weight is stabilized. It has been stabilized, and you know. And once she gets her malabsorption fixed, her weight will go up. Muscle will go on the same juices she's on right now. She'll start gaining weight. Believe it or not, seen it a lot. All right, this is from Cool. I can get nutrition from honey water as well. As my question is, do I need TP, do some kind of fast to correct things, and what herbs would be good? P.S. If anyone else can give me any input to that would be great. Thanks for being. Oh, thanks, my friend. I don't know if I understand what you're asking here. Do I need TP to do... I'm not sure I know what you're talking about. But maybe it's just too early. Coming back to this world is a trip. Oh, hello. Oh, man. This has been flagged as spam. Oh, really? This is unit tutorials. Anyway, let's see. Also, I've had tinnitus. This is a continuation, I think, that's going on here. So forgive me. Yeah, here we go. So I got several things here. I don't know which one to start reading, Tom. Let me see here.